As we take the show, girls we know, else don't go. That's why we walk this lonely road. Our strength, our blood, our vibe it shows. We going.
Put your money on the squad, on the Fetty, you ain't make it. It's guaranteed we breaking all the banks, yeah, that's a safe bet. If you ain't
Let's dance, boy.
ain't no need to say it, cause if we ain't speaking dollars, then it's never gonna make sense. We don't talk L's, only dubs when we deploy. Put me in the red zone, I'ma send a decoy. Run the play action, throw the bullet like a neat toy. And I ain't never met a zuck that I couldn't beat, boy.
Bunny dance, bunny dance. Nice music, man. This is too much for bunnies.
Mindless thieves and zucker roaches, only them will my kind appease. My tears, blood and sweat, tears, ain't no man I fear. I relentlessly scheme until victory's eve, and victory I believe. This my story called Bloody Bunny, born of the underbelly alley of this zuckered society. They can try all they wanna, but can't stop this monster inside of me. On which side of thee? You either with us or against us. We ain't no house stars with a hop stepping rabbit hole rappers. All fists, no weapons stomping on that submetal. Float like a butterfly but sting like a nettle. Till it settles up, corp is my endeavor.
Yes, it's bunny time. Hopefully this time we're gonna be playing against real players, not AI. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Da da dun, da da dun, dun. What up, what up? These bunnies are so rabid. Oh, this is team deathmatch? I almost killed my teammate. I can't climb from here. Let's go from this side. You're coming. What is that weapon? Ooh, this is an automatic weapon. Let's go. He's hiding. He's hiding. He's hiding. He's hiding. Why did you run, buddy? I'm gonna cut you. He almost killed me. Where's the guy? I love the music. In the hill. Please don't kill me. Right here. Nice. They keep shooting, man. They're so aggressive. Come here, rabbit. I'm gonna die. Oh no. His aim is crazy. You're missing, buddy. Actually, I'm gonna switch this one with the sniper. Let's see if we can snipe someone. There is someone here. No? I see him in the small map. He's gone. Where is the other guy? Oh, my aim down sensitivity is so high. Please don't kill me. I just need to eat this carrot. I missed. He's so fast. I missed. Hello, hello. What up, guys? I need my sniper again. Let's go. Where am I going? What is this? What? I almost died. That was trolling. Oh, this is not sniper. Are you hiding? Wake up, buddy. You gotta wake up. He saw me. But he's dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just 10 HP. Let's see if we can kill this guy. Nice. Thank you, friend. You saved my life. Dun, 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 dun. Mira, ¿viste los rabbits? I'm dead. I'm dead. Here we go again. Who killed us? Let's catch that guy again and kill him. Oh, there is something here. What is that? A bazooka? Gotcha. Who wants to be cutted into two? Oh, there's someone here. Hello? There is someone else here. Let's see if we can catch. Hello, AFK guy. Don't sleep. He may kill me even if I get closer. Don't kill me. I'm friendly. Bad guy. Is this sniper? Yes. So first of all, I need to lower my ADS settings because it's too high. I can't aim properly. What is that thing? Target and sensitivity. Is this one? Let's lower this and try out. Yes. Why is that dying? What is wrong? I was hitting here. Crazy. Ah, you run away this time? I'm gonna catch you. Come here. Wait. You went from this side? He's under me. I'm getting confused. He got disappeared. Ah, he's so fast. Oh, almost killed him. He's dead, right? No, he's still here. Where is he? Right here. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Come here. He's confused. He's confused. I wanna punch you. Come here. He just keeps running, man. This is smoke. Good idea, by the way. We get closer and hit him in the face. We are trolling. I wanna get the bazooka. Let's try this way. Oh no, it takes him too far. Hello, are you trying to heal? There's no way. While I'm here, there's no way. Yes, exploded. In the rabbit, in the carrot. Is that sniper? They are in the high ground. How can I go there? No, 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 don't kill me, 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 don't kill me. Yes. Ninja here. Ninja is dead. This is so low, man. I think I need to increase a little the aim down sight. Hey, I'm just testing my mouse, man. Chill. Oh my god, my aim sucks. Behind you, behind you, behind you. Behind you. I'm very low. You're also low. Let's get the big weapon here. Right here. Bazooka, we got a bazooka. What is this? It's this game is trolling, man. This game is trolling. I thought it was a weapon. Dead? Not dead. I'm dead. Ooh, nice shot. What games are you playing, guys, lately? Let me know your favorite games. I would like to know what games you play. If you are recommending the games that you play, I can also download and try out new games. Are you PC players or mobile players or console? I need to increase the sensitivity. I feel like it's very low now. It was 30 before. Let's go to 30. Don't kill me. I am AFK, man. Don't be rude. I'm dead. Little 1 HP. Can I kill him? We got the high ground. We got the high ground. We can kill him. No ammo. Actually, let's snipe him. Oh no. Oh no. I hit the wall. Don't see me, man. Don't see me. I was about to kill you. Oh. Look, you're fast, man. You're a fast man. Fast man. Don't sleep. Okay, there's someone in the middle. We got a shotgun. Watch behind! Watch behind! Oh no! Right in the face. Oh, hello. Hey. Chill, man. Don't to be aggressive. You have no chance. I have a shotgun. Oh, he might kill me if he turns. But he decided to run away. I'm gonna get you. He's turning around. What's your plan, man? Where you going? Come here. We are 20 HP. I'm dead. Cool music, huh? Right in the head. Because only his head was visible. Oh my god, grenade! Take that! Grenade! Nice! Victory is ours! Bum ba bum bum. GG's. Boom, tastefully arranging.
How you gonna stop what you can't catch in your own zone? I met us up, out on patrol, messing up the ozone. Chaos, so we thrive, no pressure, we stay in beast mode. Step up, bro, we can't be caught slipping, boy, that's a no-no. We got control, no back.
Wait, the world is yours. Explore Holy Land, city, hunt down Zagboats, near six sticks, skateboard, trace or destroy everything inside. You can make friends or bitter enemies with other hooligans. Turn on PvP in the pause menu. Let's try. Actually, we could also join a server. Make this more interesting still. Hello. Gotcha, you're burning now. You're so gonna die. Still burning. Look at his face. Gotcha. Ouch. These guys are great. Let me get a weapon. What is that? It's a grenade? Take that, hooligan! There are so many here. Dang, they may kill me here. No, 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 no. Okay. Let's go. I'm ready. What are you doing here, rabbit? You're smart. I'm dying, 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 I'm dying. Almost died. They're so aggressive, man. You're low. You're gonna die. I mean, I'm gonna die. Come on. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Nice. Come here. Man, I should have changed my sensitivity settings. I can't hit a single shot. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Shame on you. Just missing all my punches. That's so bad. He's low, he's low. Oh, he's not low anymore. Easy kill, easy kill, easy kill. Keeps giving us shotgun, man. Okay, nice. Look at this guy. It's a ninja. What are you doing there? Come here. Ooh, you're good. You're good, actually. You're good. I see that. I missed all my shots. Incredible. Someone just stole my kill with my bullet. Oh, terrible. I just can't know when my bullet is finished. Easy kill, easy kill, easy kill, easy kill. Someone else killed us. But I finally got my kill. Which is good. Which is nice. Let's go aggressive now. Where are you? Why it doesn't move? Doesn't hit enemy. Takes too long to move. Crazy. We got a sniper? What is that? No, grenade. Tornado. Gotcha. Oh, I didn't see you. Because you're dead. I'm missing. I don't know why. Oh shit. That's fun. That's fun. No, someone stole my kill again. Come here. I'm gonna pay for this. Gotcha. Out of ammo. Okay, automatic weapon. What is this guy? Gotcha. We need to get closer. Gotcha. Oh. Getting shot at. How are you guys? Welcome. What games are you playing? Ooh, one shot. That was crazy shot. Actually, look at this smart guy using all the high grounds all the time. Don't shoot me, buddy. Don't shoot me, bunny. You will die, bunny. Gotcha. Punch in the face. Boom, bala. Yes. Bam bam bada bam bam badam bam. Badam bada bam bam badam bam. Come here. Come here, rabbit. Hadouken. Almost killed myself. Where have you gone? I don't know why I was missing before. Okay, 40 FPS. 40 ping, sorry, not FPS. Which is not bad. Ninja time, let's go. Gotcha. Next one. You gotta be somewhere here. Where are you? I'm not sure where he is. He's looking for me, I'm looking for him. Come here. kebab time. You're so slow. Don't shoot me. Don't move. Don't move. I'm gonna die if you move. Nice. He's hiding. What are you doing? You can't hit me from there. The wall is blocking your shots, buddy. Don't forget to load your weapon. Look at this guy again. The high ground. There are so many here. Don't make me angry. Someone just died here. Where are these people? Let's go with the sniper. Ah, this is not sniper. Ooh, one shot, and I was one shot, really crazy. I don't want to die now. I have a good weapon. Where are the heals? Please. They are very close to me. I need to find heal. Where can I find heal? Right here. Oh shit. I was at the zone and he almost killed me. Where did he go? Look at you, camping the high ground. Oh, I'm stuck. Can't move. Hey, rabbit. How are you, buddy? Don't hit me. I'm very low. They just do too much damage. Let's see if he can explode the car. But he was far away. Easy kill, nice, stole your kill, come here now. Ooh, you seem to be very aggressive, buddy. Gun time. Right behind you. Keep missing. I miss. Yes. Wake up. I'm here. Don't hit me. Literally 1 HP. I don't know why they never use shotguns. I'll do look at. A bit heal. Never hurt anyone. There's someone above me. I don't know how to go up. Right here. I'm gonna get you, buddy. Oh, yeah, here. Don't see me now. He wasn't expecting me there. There's no way to go out? No, we can't go. Look at this guy. Looking for me? Yes, right here. Man, this sword is very OP. He has no chance against. Shotgun time. Pum pum. Pum 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 pum. Where are you going? Gotcha. Come here. Hooligan! Let's go with a bazooka now. Who's shooting me? Are you crazy? Are you crazy too? May kill me. But where is he? Can't find. Oh, he's gone. That didn't hurt you? Like nothing? Shotgun time. Compound time. Let's see if we have different game modes. Try out.
Bob right here. Ha! We got Bunny Holiday in the building. That's right. I also the homie Six. What up, sweetness? Yeah, there go. Look. Smooth criminal, the hooligans with freaking side intelligence. The bouncers of the factions, and we ain't the ones to play with. Real hooligans gotta move in silence. We calculated step to overgrow our finances. Ain't patient when it come to what's ours. You gon' pay what you owe. Meet our soldiers in the rabbit hole. Will come for your throat. Bullet code never sold a rise a tire, raise a post. If you're a real hooligan, you gotta live by the oath. Playboy mafioso.
Look at this.
Be the cutthroat. Respect where you at, or you will lay down. Bow pronto. Zupbox ain't the one to worry about. If we on you, I'm for real though.
So handsome.
Live by the hustle. Ready for whatever if you cause all our muscle. Look, Zach, what are we to be but a hooligan? Playboy faction rep proudly with no hesitation.
I tell you numbers don't lie. Get a piece of our pie. Say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we
Actually, I'm trying to check something. Maybe I can find server to join. It's gonna be much more fun.
I tell you numbers don't lie. They get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy. Earn our place, boy.
Great hooligan, freaks and with weird signs. We riding in the town, they mistaken us for some giants. Cause we riding on the back as Uckbots, Gundam style. No mistake, no it's science like it's Attack of the Titans tries. Yes, we be wild, you can bet. Playboys know that life is just a game and we play it the best. We the only ones who's playing with this style and finesse. All the weapons in my arsenal, smile be the deadliest. Yes, the star about to blow like a supernova.
I'm now checking the game official Discord.
A gentleman, a scholar, a gangster and a poet, breaking hearts out there faster than a speeding bullet. Pull it, shoot, hello cutie, how do we do? She got that fire like brother doobie doo. She reply, hello hoolie, with a smooth melted butter, bet it's smooth. And when she walking out that door, she gon' shout a hoolie hoo.
I tell you numbers don't lie. They get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy. Earn our place. I tell you numbers don't lie. They get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy. Earn our place,
Calling all hooligans. I'm talking about cypher buns, the road jumpers, hair raisers, bunners, playboys, mutants, and the punk bunnies. Let's get it. Flash, Lego. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Hellraiser, we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Hellraiser, we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it.
You already know I'm with them hooligans. Running through the city with my chest out. When I have nots want a little bit, they harass us, arrest us. Tired of being left out. How they been through it all, never gave up. I'ma do it all alone, who gon' save us? Trying to get it to the point they respect us, no more enslaved, but we coming for the extras. Me and my squad tired of the losing. Formulating plans, I've been out here recruiting. See them all talking, ain't nobody moving. Everybody wanna live, ain't nobody shooting. Road jumpers, hair raisers, punk bunnies, they dangerous. When I die, I'll go a martyr. We're famous. I already know what the aim is. Comfortable, carefree with the angels. We didn't take their best shot, we know what pain is. Michelangelo couldn't even paint this. My pain, this I've gave my heart. Or you not entertained when we've came this far.
Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them L-Rays or we dangerous. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them L-Rays or we dangerous. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it. Or stay out the way for the movement. Kerry King squad up, no capping. We out here, what's happening? Got factions, by the masses. When I test RG, we AK deep in the street with a fleet. Made the six-skate drop to his knee, but believe it's what you call anarchy. On the ride, strategize every move when we ride. Don't care what fact you from or how much dirt you done. We on the takeover, so pick a side. Ain't no more lines across, we not boundaries over. We war ready, we out, so we need all the smoke. Same master bunners, got the cyber bunches with the game. Suck up boss, we dismantle and sell a parts on the low. Playboy hustle ain't nothing, it's just a give and a go. Silly fluff for shit up for kids, I thought y'all people should know. Hooligan, we hit if I let the mutants explode. Yeah. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them L-Rays or we dangerous. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them L-Rays or we dangerous. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the cops, gotta prove it.
How you gon' stop what you can't catch in your own zone? I met us up, out on patrol, messing up the ozone. Chaos where we thrive, no pressure, we stay in beast mode. Step up, bro, can't be caught slipping, boy, that's a no-no. What we got control, nobody got nothing to say about it. Do something about it, what meets you where you stand at it. Never bad down from a challenge, we be the first to take it. Win, lose, and draw, we keep it coming till we reign. Champion road jumper, represent us, action bound. Bang with it, hooligan for life, and I'm damn so proud of it. Eyes on the mission, we hit and stay focused. All fed and loving, but who care about our methods? Word on the street, them road jumper, beat them savages. Some baby walkers, every faction, know what time it is. Showtime, game time, we found it in the war pit. Caught a rabbit hole where I doubt the other faction win. Up for a match our energy, that's impossible. We capable, we're taking drones at. That's simple. Now name another faction who can do that with their eyes. Go and think the only one out back, and that's the big
We gon'
road.
roll on this lonely road, and where we go, nobody knows. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it grows. Watch us as we take the show. Girls we know, L's don't go. That's why we walk this lonely road. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it shows. We going, we going, we going.
Put your money on the squad, on the Fetty, you ain't make it. It's guaranteed we breaking all the banks, yeah, that's a safe bet. If you ain't talking money, then it ain't no need to say it. Cause if we ain't speaking dollars, then it's never gonna make sense. We don't talk L's, only dubs when we deploy. Put me in the red zone, I'ma send a decoy. Run the play action, throw the bullet like a neat toy. And I ain't never met a zuck that I couldn't beat, boy. Nah, they don't really wanna do the drama. Do it live in the mañana, run it up and make the commas. Got a llama with a lot of violent missiles in the bottom. Make it hotter in the kitchen, send you back home to your mama. I'm a rider, on the field, dying for the cause. Flip a coin, get destroyed, boy, I'm dying for the toss. Set the bar high enough to see the climbing for the stars. Cause we road jumpers, anybody try us getting.
We gon' roll on this lonely road.
Oh, the game has found. In the face, in the face. You run out of ammo, you can punch. It's free. You seem tired. Hey, chill, man. If you don't chill, you die. Out of ammo. Where's the other guy? Hey. Chill, man. Chill. So aggressive. I was friendly, by the way. Just trying to hit the box and then kill you. Can you not move, please? Oh my god, he almost killed me by exploding the car. Nice shot. I'm here now. Gotcha. Why this guy appears to be purple? Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. I'm gonna kill you. Gotcha. Hadouken! Ooh, what a shot, buddy. I'm coming for you. There's no way to go. The door is closed. Come here. Don't run from me. Right in the head. Don't kill me, please. I wanna kill you. Nice. You were so kind. What do we have? We have ammo here. We can go with this and get the heal. Nothing else. Actually, let's try changing this one. This is gonna help us to survive more. Oh, yo. Cheat. Don't hide. You're playing dirty. Come here. Don't. I'm missing my punches. Show me some mercy. It's so hard to punch. Crazy. Dun. Pum. Shotgun is coming. Come here. This game is so silly. Dun. Ooh, right in the head. Don't camp like that anymore. Yo, why are you purple? Why this guy is purple? Why are you purple? It's a shield. Okay, I understand now. When you respawn, you come with shield. Oh, missing. This shotgun hits so hard. I see you. Oh, that was a good throw. What are you doing there, buddy? Okay, I'm coming for you with the shotgun. If I don't die, of course. I was lucky. It's 5 HP. It's 5 HP. Need to find heals. Where can I find heals? I'll die if they hit me once. Nice. He doesn't see me? He's sleeping. Now I got you. You were stuck here. Perfect place for me to catch you. There's someone on the high ground. How can we go there? Right here. You gotta be here. Again, you purple. I'm dead. Hadouken. Gotcha. I'm healing, man. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Looking for a brave man. Look, this guy can't be here. So terrible with these things, man. So slow. And I'm missing all my shots. Terrible. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Nah. Nah. Bocadillo. Here I go. Karen, I remember you yesterday. We played. How dare you? How dare you shoot me from there? And you? Gonna die. Boom. He was already getting shot. Poor guy. Like that. Bunny. Oh wait. Karen, you bad guy. Are you bad guy? Almost killed myself. I'm dead. Maybe not. Where's the carrot here? Karen. Gotcha. I just stole your kill, buddy, and now I will steal you. I wish I could see Karen, bad guy. Poor guy. Go to bed, Carl. His name is. Find heal here, please. Maybe in the kitchen. Yes, that's the heal. Karen, bad guy. Look at this spot. That's cheating. I cannot hit that guy. Don't run, buddy. Let's finish this easily. Oh my god, my aim sucks. Sniper. Oh my god, don't turn around. Don't turn around.
From the depths of the bottom, you know we got 'em. Hollow out a carrot, make a scope, and then we spot 'em. There's a problem when we come to town. The feeling is stupendous. Nothing like the smell of carrot smoking with a vengeance. We them hair raisers. You can't fade us, boy, my hair's razors. And even if you got the game, you can't play us. We got stripes, calling
Oh,
shots like the referee.
Kevin, bad guy. It's you again. Somehow you see always where I am. What? Purple guy? Shame on you. Okay, Ninja is here. Let's go. Come here, wicked. Don't run here. Come here. The throw? The throw? He was hiding here. Man, this zone doesn't hurt. Just kills. Man, I hate this spot. I miss all my shots. Stop moving, buddy. I keep missing. Nice. Thank you. Look at this guy. Stop moving, man. Gotcha.
It's that Bob right here. Ha! We got Bunny Holiday in the building. That's right. I also the homie Six. What up, sweetness? Yeah, there you go. Look. Smooth criminal, the hooligans with freaky side intelligence, the bouncers of the factions, and we ain't the ones to play with. Real hooligans gotta move in silence. We calculated step to overgrow our finances. Ain't patient when it come to what's ours, you gon' pay what you owe. Meet our soldiers in the rabbit hole, will come for your throat. Hooligan code never sold a rise a tire, raise a boast. If you're a real hooligan, you gotta live by the oath. Playboy mafioso, Bunner McGregor, Playboy stat, be the cutthroat. Respect where you at, or you will lay down, bow pronto. Subbox ain't the one to worry about. If we on you, I'm for real though. We all about our K-Go, live by the hustle. Ready for whatever if you cross all our muscle. Look, Zach, what are we to be but a hooligan? Playboy faction rep proudly with no hesitation.
I tell you numbers don't lie, get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky, that's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy, earn our place. I tell you numbers don't lie, can't get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky, that's the cost of living.
take no signs like it's Attack of the Titans tries. Yes, we be wild, you can bet. Playboys know that life is just a game and we play it the best. We the only ones who's playing with this style and finesse. All the weapons in my arsenal, smile be the deadliest. Yes, the star about to blow it like a supernova. Put a sweet little something like a real Casanova. No, a gentleman, a scholar, a gangster and a poet, breaking hearts out there faster than a speeding bullet. Pull it, shoot, hello cutie, how do we do? She got that fire like brother doobie doo. She reply, hello hoolie, with a smooth melted butter, bet it's smooth. And when she walking out that door, she gon' shout a hoolie hoo.
I tell your numbers don't lie. They get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy. Earn our place. I tell your numbers don't lie. They get a piece of our pie. They say the limit is the sky. That's the cost of living life. As a playboy, we don't play, boy. Take our place, boy. Earn our place,
Calling all hooligans. I'm talking about cypher buns, the road jumpers, hair racers, bunners, playboys, mutants, and the punk bunnies. Let's get it. Flush, Lego. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it.
You already know I'm with them hooligans. Running through the city with my chest out. When I have not swung a little bit, they harass us, arrest us. Tired of being left out. I've been through it all, never gave up. I'ma do it all alone, who gon' save us? Trying to get it to the point they respect us, no more enslaved, but we coming for the extras. Me and my squad tired of the losing. Formulating plans, I've been out here recruiting. See them all talking, ain't nobody moving. Everybody wanna live, ain't nobody shooting. Road jumpers, hair racers, punk bunnies, they dangerous. When I die, I'll go a martyr, we're famous. I already know what the aim is. Comfortable, carefree with the angels. We didn't take their best shot, we know what pain is. Michelangelo couldn't even paint this. My pain, this I've gave my heart. Are you not entertained when we've came this far?
Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe.
Keep dancing, bunny.
We don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Or stay out the way for the movement. Kerry King squad up, no capping. We out here, what's happening? Got factions, by the masses. When I test RG, we AK deep in the street with a fleet. Made the cityscape drop to his knee, but believe it's what you call anarchy. On the ride, strategize every move when we ride. Don't care what fact you from or how much dirt you done. We on the takeover, so pick a side. Ain't no more lines across, we not boundaries over. We war ready, we also. We ain't all the smoke, same as the bunners. Got the cyber bunches with the game. Sucker boss, we dismantle SLA parts on the low. Playboy hustler ain't nothing, it's just a give and a go. Silly fluffer, shit up for kids, I thought y'all people should know. Hooligan, we hit if I let the mutants explode. Yeah. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. Mount up, think straight, get home, be safe. My team, we don't play them Rays or we ain't. You already know we some hooligans. What am I to be but a hooligan? Catch me in the street with them hooligans. Say you down for the couch, gotta prove it. How you gon' stop what you can't catch in your own zone? I met us up out on patrol, messing up the ozone. Chaos where we thrive, no pressure, we stay in beast mode. Step up, bro, we can't be caught slipping, boy, that's a no-no. What we out control, nobody got nothing to say about it. Do something about it, what meets you where you stand at it. Never bad down from a challenge, we be the first to take it. Win, lose, or draw, we keep it coming till we reign. Champion road jumper, represent us, action bound, bang with it, hooligan for life. survive, and I'm damn so proud of it. Eyes on the mission, we hit and stay focused. All fed and loving, but who care about our methods? Word on the street, them road jumper beat them savages. Up everywhere, cause every faction know what time it is. Showtime, game time, we found it in the war pit. Caught a rabbit hole where I doubt the other faction went. Up for a match our energy, that's impossible. We capable, we're taking drones out. That's simple. Now name another faction who can do that with their eyes closed. They think the only one out back, and that's the
We
big
gon'
road.
roll on this lonely road, and where we go, nobody knows. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it grows. Watch us as we take the show. Girls we know, L's don't go. That's why we walk this lonely road. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it shows. We going, we going, we going.
Put your money on the squad, on the Fetty, you ain't make it. It's guaranteed we breaking all the banks, yeah, that's a safe bet. If you ain't talking money, then it ain't no need to say it. Cause if we ain't speaking dollars, then it's never gonna make sense. We don't talk L's, only dubs when we deploy. Put me in the red zone, I'ma send a decoy. Run the play action, throw the bullet like a neat toy. And I ain't never met a zuck that I couldn't beat, boy. Nah, they don't really wanna do the drama. Do it live in the mañana, running up and make the commas. Got a llama with a lot of violent missiles in the bottom. Make it hotter in the kitchen, send you back home to your mama. I'm a rider, on the field, dying for the cause. Flip a coin, get destroyed, boy, I'm dying for the toss. Set the bar high enough to see the climbing for the stars. Cause we road jumpers, anybody try us getting.
We gon' roll on this lonely road, and where we go, nobody knows. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it grows. Watch us as we take the show. Girls we know, L's don't go. That's why we walk this lonely road. Our strength, our blood, our vibe, it shows. We going, we going, we going, we
My
going.
mind at ease, a flame on these mindless thieves. And Zucker roaches, only them will my kind appease. My tears, blood and sweat's tears, ain't no man I fear. I relentlessly scheme until victory's eve. And victory I believe. This my story called Bloody Bunny, born of the underbelly alley of this Zuckered society. They can try all they wanna, but can't stop this monster inside of me. On which side of thee? You're either with us or against us. We ain't no hamsters with a hop-stepping rabbit hole rappers. All fists, no weapons, stomping on that sub-metal. Float like a butterfly and sting like a nettle. Till it settles up, corp is my endeavor. I endeavor to win, but all good deeds are conflicted by sin. Carrot gang be my brethren and kin, a rogue jumper. Let my story begin.